mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Guys, I'm so excited to be back with another video. I am 40 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like I mentioned on my last video and the video before that, I am gonna be doing a 1K giveaway. So once I reach my 1K subscribers, I am gonna be giving away a brand new Louis Vuitton, I can't even talk, guys, a brand new Louis Vuitton key pouch. Let me show you guys what that looks like, just in case you don't know what that is. It's inside this box right here. It's brand new, guys. I don't even own one of this, so I'm really excited to give this to one of you guys. You'll have the key pouch, oh sorry, you'll have the dust bag, and inside the dust bag is the key pouch. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. So if you don't own any, you know, Louis Vuitton, this is actually a really great piece to have. You can put your credit cards, your keys, your cash. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. So please keep on subscribing, that way we can do the giveaway as soon as possible. Now for the video, you can probably already tell from the thumbnail or the title of this video, we are going to be doing a designer luxury collection. So, you know, I think this is the perfect time to do it because, you know, we're all stuck at home. But yeah, let's start off with what I'm currently using right now, which is this one right here. This one is Longchamp. I forgot the name of this. I probably can't even pronounce it anyway, so but yeah, this is from Longchamp. Longchamp. How do you pronounce that? Longchamp. It's so weird for me to say it, but anyways, you guys are probably gonna notice that all my bags are quite small because I do love the minis at the moment, or probably forever, because I find that the big bags just doesn't fit my lifestyle. So this is from Longchamp. It's like navy color, guys. It fits so much. As you can see, it's like quite full in there, and I can still actually put more. I love this for every day because it's just a carefree bag, you know. I don't have to worry about it scratching or changing color. Gosh, I'm just so obsessed with this. The next one that I'm going to be showing you guys are my current obsessions, which are the mini pochette. So I have it in the Damier Ebene, also in the monogram, and the newest one is from the Escale collection. This one is the pastel design. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What I love about this, guys, is you can use this as a wristlet. You can also use this as a crossbody bag. If you know, you just buy the chain, you can use this as an everyday bag as well. Oh, it's so cute, guys. The next one that I want to show you is this LV Capucine. I had to pick this up at Las Vegas because in California, I don't know if you guys know, it is illegal to sell python or snake skin, python leather. So I had to pick this baby up at Las Vegas. So this one has like the python handle and the python flap. It's the mini size, and yeah, it doesn't fit much, but it definitely fits, you know, all the things that I need. All right, so on to the next one. I'm gonna be showing you guys my Nano Speedy. This is what it looks like. I can't stress it enough how amazing this bag is. It fits so much, guys. It's tiny but mighty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And you know what, guys, I actually bought 2 of these because yeah, I'm that obsessed about this bag. This one is made in France. This one is made in Italy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like the made in France is actually bigger than made in Italy. But yeah, am I crazy? I'm probably crazy. But I just love this, guys. It's so beautiful and so cute. And it's so hard to get this too. So I'm happy to even get 2 of them. The next one is my Gucci Marmont. This one is so cute, guys. It's really pretty for, you know, date night or like a night out bag. It's really nice. It has that like brushed gold hardware and it's like a velvet finish. I love it so much. And it has that cute heart. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like the heart logo. So for the next one, it is this multi-pochette accessoire. I actually did an unboxing for this one. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere, that way you guys can watch the unboxing. I also, you know, shared a story on how I scored this, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, what I love about this is you can use it, you know, multiple ways. You can use it as a shoulder bag, or you can use it as a crossbody bag. I also bought inserts here, like organizer inserts. These are from Samorga, and I just love it because, you know, like you don't have to worry about dirtying the inside of your bag, and it just makes it more structured. But yeah, I love this bag. It's so cute. This one is my on the go GM. It's really good for travel, guys, but unfortunately I haven't traveled yet because of the current situation. But it's really huge. I've seen a lot of people use this as an everyday bag. It's just not for me, because when I tried using it, I was bumping on a lot of things. But it's really nice to have, you know, also in your collection if you travel a lot. And what's nice about this is it comes with a strap. So if you're tired of holding your bag, you can use this or put this on your shoulder. But that's what it looks like. And I love the red interior too. The next one is my Chanel mini rectangular. This one is in the dark gray from the 20C collection, I believe. I'm sure if the boutique, or when the boutiques open, you're probably still gonna be able to get this color, but it's so pretty, guys. The color is like a charcoal gray. Next one is this light gray color. This one is the medium large size. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. And let's show you guys my other Chanel classic. This one is in the maxi size. Guys, I barely use this because it's so huge. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, but I barely use this, guys. So I'm actually thinking of selling this, but I don't know, I just can't seem to sell it because it's the price of a Chanel, you know, bag is so expensive now, especially like the maxi. This one, when I bought it, it was, I want to say like 5,900, and now it's 6,700, I think, or 6,700 or 6,900. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's so expensive. That's why I can't let it go. But I really love this because it's black. The only thing I wish that when I bought this, I wish I bought it in the gold hardware because I barely wear any silver. But yeah, this is what the maxi looks like. It's so huge. Look at next to my face, and I have a big face already too. And the next one is from Fendi. I love a good bucket bag too, so this one is really cute. Prada re-edition bag. This also comes with a strap. It's basically like the multi-pochette, but I feel like I like the multi-pochette better than this one. Yeah, this one also comes with a strap and then the little coin purse. I love this too as well because you can be carefree with it since it's nylon. This one, guys, is my very first, oh my gosh, my very first luxury handbag. This one is from or by Valentino, the Rockstud. I can't even talk, guys. This is the Rockstud bag. As you can see, it's well loved because I use this every day when I first got it. You can also tell like the hardware, like there's some tarnishing in the hardware. And this one also comes with a strap. I don't know, I feel like, you know, I've grown out of using this, so maybe I should just donate it or something. What do you guys think? This one is my Prada bag. This one is also one of the oldest bag I've owned. So the first luxury bag that I ever owned was the Valentino one, and then I believe the Chanel, and then the Prada one. This is probably the last one, but this one is the Gucci bucket bag. This is what it looks like. I wish this one came with a handle because I actually like my bags with a handle, but this one comes with a strap, so you mainly use it as a crossbody bag. When you put it on your like as a shoulder strap, I feel like it's too long, so it's perfect as like a crossbody bag. So that's what it looks like. As you guys saw, I don't really have that much compared to, you know, other people that have like crazy amount of handbag, but it's definitely growing. I have a few items that are, you know, on my wish list that I'm hoping to get by the end of the year, hopefully, but who knows. You know, I don't just buy a handbag just to buy it. I buy it because I love it and I love collecting it. Also, it's something that I'm gonna be using for a long time, if not forever, and I can also pass it on to my daughter. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.